nothing less.
Bang' higni 10 mar geno, sirikal koro keto ayanga chenro mar yaro osiptal mar Moi Teaching and Referral e boma ma Eldoret e kaunti ma Uasin Gishu. Osiptalno ma bende biro bedo makende pacho ka kendo e pinje mag Afrika duto ibiro gere bwo higa achiel kod dweche 8. Elizabeth Ajode nigi ler mathoth.
Kane oloso e nyasi mar sidho ayanga chenrono, jatend migawo mar thieth e pacho ka Aden Duale owacho ni osiptandno ma ibiro ger kendo chungi kod jolweny biro bedo osiptal makende e piny Afrika.
We are here for the groundbreaking ceremony that will make the beginning of one of the most transformative healthcare investment in our country. A 200-bed multi-speciality hospital, which is designed to serve the people of Kenya and beyond.
Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital, in the current state, small as it is, this is the referral hospital that has been able to support over 24 counties in the western part of our republic. Mimi najua hii hospitali inajengwa siku ya leo itaenda kupanua na itakuwa rahisi sana sisi kama counties 47, and not just 47 counties, since this is going to be the biggest facility within the region and possibly in Africa. Inamaanisha kwamba itasaidia Kenya nzima, itasaidia majirani wetu.
So hii hospitali, as you have heard ikiisha, it will be the biggest in Africa. 4,000 beds. Tunaanza na 2,000, it will be done. Those who think work is not happening, just watch the space. You will see, and we are seeing what is happening.
Duale owacho ni osiptalno mabende chenro mar gedo mare ne ochakore higni 10 mokalo pok ochopo kare ni mar jatend piny makindeno ne oketo siasa mane goyo gedo mar osiptalno.
Hii project inaanza 2015, lakini imekaa miaka 10 kwa sababu kulikuwa na jamaa ambaye waliamini hii hospitali haifai hapa Uasin Gishu. They politicized and they used it.
Duale omedo ni chik mane ogol kod jatend piny William Ruto ne Kemri mar neno ni yedhe otere kuonde thieth duto ma e pacho ka ochopo kare.
Anybody accessing primary health care, level 2, level 3, level 4, enda utibiwe, uende nyumbani na usilipe chochote. Na ukiambiwa hata ulipe co-payment, vile rais juzi akisema akiwa Kitui, wewe sema pesa yangu imelipiwa na rais kupitia bunge na budget ya Kenya. We have been given 13 billion to cater for that.
Bende owacho ni chiko yene gitimo siasa maonge ng'at mabiro tame timo chenro mage.
Kwa vile sisi ni wafanyikazi wa serikali, kuanzia mimi mpaka chairman na CEO na PS, usiku na mjana mtuulize maswali kuhusu SHA.
Elizabeth Ajode, Ramogi TV.